So the first step in the design of your Capstone ePortfolio is going to be using Google Chrome. Remember, we want to use Google Chrome as our browser in order to help us construct this Google Capstone ePortfolio. So as you can see, I have a brand new tab, and I'm going to put my cursor up to the waffle, and I'm going to look for the Google app called Google Sites. You may need to scroll down, but it would look like this with like a purple page. Let's click on that, and it's going to open up Google Sites. Our next step is going to go over to a blank canvas or blank template. I'm going to start and create a new site. Now, one thing to remind yourself is make sure you are in your Wilton PS profile as you are doing this. You are welcome later on to share this ownership of this site with another profile. But in order to create it, we want to make sure you're in the Wilton PS profile. That is step one. When you get into this page, you're going to notice that there are a lot of different options. Obviously, on the right-hand side, I have my toolbar. And you're going to see I could scroll down and I could add different apps, different Google tools. You're also going to have layout tools here to organize your page. And you're also going to have a text box creator, image uploader, and embedded text. If you're going to pull code from another website or you code yourself, you could embed code. And you can also pull items from your drive. You'll also notice there is a pages tab, which we're going to use in a moment to add certain pages for each of your attributes. And you're going to notice there are also themes that we're going to ask you to pick a theme and color scheme that is going to match who you are, and it's going to help you brand yourself as a learner here at Wilton Public Schools.